Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. It has been a very long time. Ignore this finger. I've been doing a lot of stuff and it got broke. Yeah, but it's been a while. I haven't filmed. I want to say in like 2 months. it's been a while basically. So I decided why not film a look using 2 of my favorite palettes that are also on my August favorites list. This lovely Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream. I gotta have this nail over this finger. And the Aina and ABH palette. So I'm going to be using those 2. I'm going to be doing a face chart even though it's not Friday because I haven't done that in a while either. I've been very busy with work, busy with being sick, busy being in a relationship. It's just been busy. Also, my camera broke, so I apologize for the quality because this is me filming on my old iPhone 7 now because I no longer have an actual camera to film on. So that was actually the biggest problem, the biggest reason why I wasn't filming, because I broke my camera. Well, I didn't break it, it just stopped working. So there's that. And then life, basically I have no true excuse because I've had this iPhone 7 just sitting in the drawer for a while now, so I could have just been using it, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a face chart, even though I know it's not face chart, but I figured why not come back with a bang, you know? So yeah, if you're new to my channel, when I film my face charts, I don't really talk because I'll start to talk too much like I'm doing right now, and I could have just started this look. But yeah, so I'm going to be using these 2 palettes. From this palette, I'm only going to be using 2 colors. I'm going to use ginger because I always use ginger when I start off my makeup. And I'm going to be using, oh, I lied, not 2 colors. That's the other one. I was back and forth between 2 different face charts. For this one, I'm actually going to use this palette more than the Strawberry Dream. And this one I'm going to be using, I'm not going to use ginger at all. That's the other look. These 3 right here. And they are Supreme, Pinker, and Big Wig. So I'm going to be using those 3 from this palette. And then here we have the Strawberry Dream, which I love this palette. I love this palette so much. And the August favorites I talk about. I'm going to talk about this palette more. I'm going to be using, this is called, excuse me, it's a little ratchet because I use this a lot, Blue Diamond, which is the shade right here, and Sweet Dream. And I think I'm going to use like this much, basically nothing, but a little bit of, I don't know if I think it's gonna be Nightfall. Yeah, Nightfall, because it's more purple than Strawberry Moon. So Nightfall, which is this shade right here. So I'm gonna use those 3 shades from that palette, and then the 3 shades, or is it 4? No, the 3 shades, no, yeah, the 3 shades from the Aina palette. So enough talking, let's get started. That shimmery purple shade, and I'm gonna put that a little bit like right there. And right there. Can't see it now, but it shows within pictures really well, which is why I like this shade. I've used this shade quite a few times since I've gotten this palette. And then I'm going to go and do my liner off camera. If you're new to my channel and this is your first video of mine, I never do that on camera unless like it's a like graphic liner or something, only because it's hard. It's real hard. I need to focus and concentrate. So I'll be back with the liner done. The lower lash line, I'm going to be taking this bad boy, which is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I'm just gonna use a shade in here called Kiki, which if you don't know what that looks like, it's this right here. And I'm using this instead of my ColourPop teaspoon, I think that's the name of it, liner. It all came out with that Just My Luck stuff, all the greens. I had a liner and I cannot find it, and I didn't want to waste time. So I'm just going to use that because it's close enough to the color that I need. So I'm going to take that right now, real quick, because it's quick and do it on camera. gonna take that right now and put that on my lower lash line. I did add lashes, and the glue is currently still drying, so yeah, there's that. Oh, that brush is too fat. Let's do this one. That brush was too fat, sorry. I should have sprayed it. I use my setting spray right here. But yeah, the teaspoon shade is this exact same color. But I can't find it. I don't know where I put it. But I know I have it. But I got a makeup organizer and I just started putting stuff everywhere. So I got the makeup organizer from Walmart, by the way. It was really cheap. And it comes in handy. I mean, it's not as big as I wished it would be, but it gets the job done. And I basically put all the makeup that I use every day. So all of my concealers, the little palettes that I use for work, all of that is in that makeup organizer. So that's gonna go on, and then underneath that I'm gonna go back into the Aina palette, but yeah. Two different blushes. I'm gonna use California from Benefit, this new Eddie Funkhouser blush that I got. And I also like to take a little bit of the shade in here, Sunset. I know that's weird, right? I take a little bit of that and I mix it with California. It makes a really pretty blush on me, you know, because it's hard for me to find blush. I don't know about anybody else, but a lot of shades don't work for me. Sorry, my phone locked, and now I'm getting text messages. But yeah, so for the blush, I'm gonna take those and get my life together. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Powder in the shade Jupiter. This is Jupiter, right? Yes, this is Jupiter. If you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this first actually, and then I'm gonna get my Eddie Funkhouser glow powder to put on top. You'll see. Yeah. Use Mars instead, which is also from Lunar Beauty. This is what it looks like, and I'll put them next to each other because like, that looks the same. This is Jupiter. This is Mars. Because I feel like if I put on Jupiter, then it'll look gold, or golden, bronzy, because it has a bronze shift to it. And I don't want that because it's definitely pink. I want to keep the pink. So I use Mars instead with my EF Luminous Glow Powder together. This is a finished look. I probably have to go back in with Kiki because clearly it's gone. I applied mascara and it went away, so there's that. I like this look, minus the fact that I can't find my liner from ColourPop, because then I wouldn't have to worry about reapplying anything to my face. I did, if my face looks a little wet, it's because I just sprayed this before I hit record. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. It is also one of my favorites for the month of August, so it's gonna be in the video. That's it. That's all. I don't really have anything to say about this look, except the fact that I like it. I need to add more mascara because there is a little bit of eyeshadow on my lashes and they look red. Up close it looks weird. Anyway, that's it. That's all. I am happy to be filming again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.